Okay, just an update on my 98 Sportsman 500 Polaris. I was telling you the issue I was having with this, right? But it turned out to be not that. If I try to start it now, it probably won't start. See, it has a problem. Turn it all off. All right. So what I did or found out was watching another person on the videos is that he unplugged the CDI. This is new, supposedly new. It looks pretty new. But I unplugged this, unplug the CDI ground, and redo it again, and start it up. And it'll run fine, it'll run good. It'll run good, it'll run fine. So, again, but when I plug in my CDI coil, my CDI pack, it'll die. See? So, if you guys are having trouble, sometimes it might not just be this. I was pretty sure yesterday it was this a throttle assembly switch, but it actually turned out to be my CDI box or my kill switch on my start switch assembly. Hope this helps anybody. That's what it is for now, but the bike rides good. But I have an oil leak on my timing chain cover. There is blowing out. I could literally feel air coming out of here. Top oil is blowing everywhere, getting everything wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it cool down. The oil is splattering up on the frame right here, running down this way. As you can see, it's rubbed my hand like that. And it's coming down here, leaking from here, but it's actually coming from that portion right there. All right, hope it helps anybody else. But guess I'll be ordering a new CDI box and start switch assembly. This switch assembly right here. So let me know. Give me some suggestions and solutions of what do you think could cause that. But for me, that's what I found out. All right, thanks. Bye.